Filing taxes can be taxing at times, but it doesn't have to be. So here are a few things to keep in mind when filing for this tax season. First up, think of taxes as a subscription fee for living in Canada. But instead of getting Netflix, you get healthcare, education, public transit, and more. Filing taxes isn't just a duty, it's also your ticket to benefits and credits, which means you can get money back if you've paid too much. Next, who collects taxes in Canada? CRA does, or the Canada Revenue Agency, which handles federal and most provincial or territorial taxes. Next, who needs to file taxes? Well, if you're making money, spending money, or living in Canada, chances are you need to file taxes. But more importantly, your residency status determines your tax obligations. For example, permanent residents are taxed on worldwide income, including earnings from employment, business, investments, and property, both within and outside of Canada. They also pay sales tax, property tax, and contribute to CPP and EI. On the other hand, temporary residents, such as visitors, students, or workers, are only taxed on income earned within Canada. Next, there are two ways to submit tax returns, online or by mail. So pick what's best for you. What documents are needed? Well, here are the most common ones. First, you have to get your social insurance number ready, as it's essential for identifying your tax records. Next, T4 slips. This is income you've made from your job and the taxes that were taken out by your employer. So if you've had multiple employers, you should receive a T4 slip from each one. Next, T5 slips. If you've earned interest, dividends, or certain types of income from Canadian sources, you'd likely receive a T5. Next, other income slips. So this includes any other income you might have received, such as income from trusts, self-employment income, rental income, or foreign income. RRSP contribution. If you've contributed to a registered retirement savings plan, you'll need these slips to claim a deduction. Tuition and education receipts, or the T2202. If you're a student, these receipts allow you to claim education, tuition, and textbook amounts. Next, medical expense receipts. So if you're claiming medical expenses, you need to have all related receipts. Next, charitable donation receipts. So to claim this, you must have official donation receipts from registered charities. Now, there's a bunch more not mentioned here, so if you want a comprehensive list, make sure to check out our webpage with the link in bio. Also, remember the deadline for filing taxes for most people is on April 30th, but if you're self-employed, you've got until June 15th. Was this helpful? If it was, consider sharing this video to help a friend.